Hi guys, may nag-invite sa akin ng RG tas ito sumusunod na nangyari.
Mic mo, dito sawa. Pick ata eh.
Please pick a hero.
俺一人で
5 seconds
Trigger
till
ka
the
tama
enemy
kang bangag.
reaches the battlefield.
Bangag,
Smash
mango.
them.
Bobo.
magsasalita
Ako lahat ang masama! Ikaw ang mabuti! Ha? Sa lagay na yan, ikaw ang mabuti! Lend me your strength for peace! Oh my God! Wow!
Bobo mag-isnan yan, tanga.
Enemy killing spree.
Freestyle ang puta. Tanga.
You call this a fight? Boring. My turn now!
The universe is big enough for more than one race.
Our turret has been destroyed. You have been.
Bobo ang puta. Tulog ka na, ulul.
Sleep.
Our turret is under attack. Unstable network.
For glory!
An ally has Our turret is under attack. Enemy double.
Tingin gagawin ka pa rin. Eh, eh, okay lang, nakapatay ako pa rin. Bakit? Ba't nakapatay mga pa rin? Tinihintap.
The glory.
Naka-flow. Di ba? Grabe.
You have been slain.
Nagkapatay mga bird. Kaya pa ako nagkapatay mga bird.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret is turret is under attack. Enemy can still win. Our turret has been destroyed. Defeat.
At dito sa part na to guys, in-invite ko siya na mag 1v1 kami. At siya yung nag-invite sa akin guys at pinagtrepan niya ako.
po dinala ko po.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
To Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed. An enemy
At biglang
has been
bumilis yung
slain.
attack speed ko sa Corsian site na bili ko guys, isang iglap na tapos ko agad.
Victory!